Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a poll on Instagram application by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Instagram application and sign in or log in with your account. So actually there will be two ways to create a poll. So there will be a poll for Instagram story, but there will be also a poll from Instagram feed. But in this tutorial I would like to show you for the Instagram story one. So the thing that you have to do is just open the Instagram and make sure that you stay in the home section, and now you just need to go click this plus button here to access your